So, very good afternoon to all of you. On behalf of Eco India and Pediatric and Neonatal Nurses Forum India, I, Dr. Smriti Arora, welcome you all to this online webinar on publishing a research article. I appreciate the presence of all the delegates who have joined us today from different parts of the country. Publications are indeed necessary to communicate scientific work. It complements teaching and learning. Getting your article published requires sound knowledge of research, intelligence, and good command on language. So in order to clarify our concepts related to publications, we have with us today the President of PNNFI, Professor Pitikol, Secretary PNNFI, Professor H.T.L. Rawat, the eminent international speakers, Dr. Ruth Robert, Dr. Manjusi Palam, and Dr. Poonam Joshi. I'm thankful to all of you for taking time out for your extremely busy schedule to be with us today on this platform. So starting the session, first of all, I would like to invite Professor Pitikol to give us the opening remarks. Ma'am is the president of PNFI, former director IGNOU, and currently working as principal School of Health Sciences. Ma'am has vast experience of over 37 years in nursing education. She is doctorate from Jamia Millia Islamia. She did MSc in pediatric nursing from College of Nursing, R.A.K. Delhi University, MA in public administration from Punjab University, and BSc nursing from PGI Chandigarh. Being the recipient of prestigious Presidential National Florence Nightingale Award, she is the source of inspiration to many. Ma'am has functioned as chairperson, guest of honor, and resource person at various scientific and plenary sessions for around 130 national and international conferences, workshops, seminars, and panel discussions. Ma'am has gained fellowship from WHO for workshop on IMNCI at Myanmar, and also from NNF and UNICEF for workshop on facility-based newborn care. Ma'am has participated in various paper presentations in various international conferences at Southampton University, UK, Malaysia, New York, Shanghai, and many more. She is constantly involved in planning, development, and coordination of various nursing programs. Looking forward to hear you, ma'am.
Thank you very much. I think at the outset, I must express my immense gratitude to Dr. Smriti Arora and also the Eco India who have facilitated this important event, which is of great importance in present day digitalization. I must also express my gratefulness to the speakers, Dr. Manju, Dr. Rawat, Dr. Ruth, and Dr. Poonam Joshi, who have really accepted to enlighten us all. I express my great gratitude also to all those who have come to view or listen to this program. This is really of a very important relevance, though lots have been discussed and lot is being discussed. I will not take much time in talking about anything about PNNFI, so I would leave that portion to Secretary PNNFI. But in very brief and nutshell, I would just like to quote Albert Einstein. What does he say? He says, whole of science is nothing more than a refinement of everyday thinking. So, this is all imbibed and inbuilt in nursing. In nursing, all of us, every day in and out, we think, and we also rethink. And we also ask questions, why does we don't do this way in that way or that way in the other way? So this every time, because you face a treasure of, you are facing a treasure of thinking and rethinking process. Therefore, that must be imbibed, and that must be imbibed with passion and also a reason and also a purpose. So if we imbibe that rethinking in as a passion, as a purpose, and as a part of our life, we will realize that there is something we need to do. So it has been very rightly said that conducting a scientific research, and also whether that is clinical based or general clinical research, it is just only a beginning in the scholarships of discovery. You just begin that when you think of writing, not writing, conducting a research, it is just a beginning of scholarship of discovery. But once you imbibe this and make a part of life of your own day-to-day activities, professional activities, I mean to say, that you, in order to make the results, what you do in order to make the results of your doing, the research, the thinking, it may not be a research, it may be what you record, what you feel, it may be all that. So if you make that accessible to all your fellow learners, to all your fellow professionals, and also to the scientific community of nursing, in order to have its potential impact what you have done, because lot of feedback nowadays is very important because of feedback of in the context of digitalization. So it's very important for you that we have to have our researches, our investigations, our any recording made accessible to professionals, and also have a potential impact on the greater scientific nursing community. Therefore, in that context, you must publish, because the publishing is an important way of evidence-based research, because all of us are talking about evidence-based research and evidence-based research. This is one way of evidence-based research. To have a dent on the evidence-based research in nursing, you must publish, publish, and publish. But however, I can say that there may be many, many impediments. There can be many, many barriers when we plan to write or publish something. We may not think confident of ourselves, because we are not confident. Nobody is confident. Even if we have published so many things, still we are not confident. We are still feeling anxiety whether the paper will be published or not. So that anxiety is related. The lack of experience can make us not to write, and also the confidence can make anxiety of writing, not having good skill of writing, the style of writing. But one should never mind of all those impediments. Impediments come in all our walks of life. So because this practice will help you to understand, even if you do a practice which is not initially fruitful, which is not result oriented, you must still continue to practice. Because what happens, the practice is very, very important. And the process of writing can be helpful. If you start writing, the process of helpful can be very, very important for improving your skill of writing. And then the focus should be on clear communication of results, because when you clearly communicate, because we as nursing personnel, what I have observed throughout my career is that we try to speak everything we are going to speak and we are going to present, but we have to be very, very careful. We should be very brief in communicating what we want to communicate, and because that will help in the development of growth. Then lastly, I would like to say that the culmination of publication process will provide you not only the satisfaction for research and interproperty rights, but it will be a very important, viable tool for dissemination, and will add to the evidence-based nursing practice, which is the dark area. So I would now request all the speakers, because I hope that their discussion will enlighten you all. We all know that lot many things are being discussed in this area, and lot is yet to be done, because the digital world keeps changing the concepts, keeps changing the styles, keeps changing the outcome, and keeps changing its impact. And so every time what we do will be a new thing. So I hope you will get enlightened with what our the what should I say, vibrant, dynamic, and young experts, leaders in the profession will speak about it. So I thank you very much. Thank you all once again.
Thank you, ma'am, for your beautiful address. Indeed, it's very essential for all of us to get our work accessible to all the population there in the nursing community, in the scientific community, so they can get benefit from it. Now it's my pleasure to invite the backbone of PNNFI, Professor HCL Rawat. Sir is the secretary here. He is working as principal UConn at Baba Farid University, Faridkot, Punjab. He has a vast experience of more than 3 decades. He has worked in various capacities such as tutor, associate professor, vice principal, and professor at AIIMS and Baba Farid University. Sir is also the editor-in-chief of Babapuri University Nursing Journal. He is an active member of various academic and professional bodies, functioning as external examiner for more than 10 universities and editorial board member of many national and international journals. He has more than 30 publications to his credit in many national and other reputed journals and has published many books. Sir has also the international experience at the University of British Columbia School of Nursing, Canada, and Omni College, Richmond, Vancouver, Canada. So please, the stage is yours.
Thank you, Smriti. And I appreciate our guiding pillar, President PNNFI, Dr. P.T. Kaul. And this discussion or this international webinar that is very, very important on the topic publishing. What we are conducting the research, we are not publishing. If you see that rate of publications in nursing, specifically, we do a lot, but we are not sharing it. So I'm again thankful to Eco India. They have given us, or they have developed this association with us to discuss this publication or that important findings of study what we are conducting. At our time, we are having only few PG colleges, but now, you know, there are so many PG colleges are there and people are doing research. But again, till now, they are not having adequate skills, knowledge, how to write, and when to write and what to write, and in which journal they have to publish their findings. So that and how to write a article and where to publish, that publication strategies, and one thing that is very important, plagiarism, that Dr. Joshi will tell you how we'll see these things, and that is very, very important. And I will request all that nurse scientists, nurse researchers, they have to publish and learn how to publish and how to write. Don't put your findings or your research studies in lock and key. Please share it, because it will help whole nursing fraternity to improve quality patient care. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.